Hello, I'm Dylan Ramirez, and this is my CityGro project for patch retention. The goal of this project was to make patch retention become easier to use due to Shopify merchants getting stuck with setting up their loyalty program. This includes setting up their loyalty widget, ways to earn, and loyalty cash. For this project, I edited a stock persona provided by CityGro to align better with the problem of setting up loyalty rewards. The persona I created was a business owner whose business is growing rapidly and they want to keep track of their expanding customer base while providing incentives to keep their one-time users loyal. I went and mapped out that persona's customer journey with patch retention as follows, starting with account brand creation, setting up the loyalty widget style, creating ways to earn, setting up blasts and automation, and finally to monitor their customer base. A lot of the areas for confusion I had found was that the options to complete the customer journey were located in different places on patch, making it harder to complete than necessary. So I went about designing changes to improve it. I decided to start at the account details, since it would be one of the first places where a customer would look when setting up account information. Here's the website as it currently is. And here are my changes. One of the major changes I implemented was redesigning the sidebar menu site-wide. It currently has a drop-down prompt that hides important information such as account settings, where a lot of the management takes place. I included all of the options in the sidebar itself, since there is an abundance of space available. Another big change was that I moved the loyalty points evaluation to this section. Since this is the first place customers go to set up their brand settings, and the loyalty system is account-wide, I moved the form here to be more easily available to first-time users. And here's the current page for setting up the loyalty widget. It has two steps. One is to input all of the information, including ways to earn, and the other is the installation of the widget itself. I opted to make the widget into a 3-step process instead. I made the look and design of the widget to be the first step, since that's the easiest part of the process. It also gave the ways to earn section way more breathing room, since that's the most involved form with the possibility to have many different permutations. Clicking to add a way to earn currently will give the users this screen, which gives a lot of information all at once, which can be intimidating for some. In the redesign, I opted for a more condensed approach. Going to add a new way to earn will show a drop-down menu of all the different ways to earn currently. And choosing one of those options will show a small description of what it is, along with how it benefits the business for owners. From there, the forms remain mostly the same, only with mandatory forms being marked, along with the live preview being available. And when saved, the way to earn will show in its section, and users can add, edit, and delete it from there. Another process I took a look at was the automatic messaging system. It can be vague which messages are active and what users are receiving them, and how frequently they're being sent. For the message creation tab now, users can now sort by template type and tag given, whether it's a preset tag or one of their custom-made ones. They start by choosing if they want to make an SMS or email automated message. And from there, they can choose a preset from one of Patch's existing templates, or start from scratch to make their own. When they make their message, they can choose to give it tags, alter the text, choose which customer category to target, and choose whether this is a scheduled or conditionally sent message. After completing some additional information on the specifics, they can choose to finish the message, and then that message will be in their saved messages. With these changes, I believe that the patch loyalty system will be easier to use for both new and returning customers, and hoping to retain and grow their customer base.